Hello guys, I'm back with my new tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to create new route file. As you can see, I have created a fresh project in this. So let's create a new route file, call it as mobile.php. Now since we are creating a route file, we can copy from other route source. Okay, php. Since we are creating a route file, we have to provide some value in return. So I'm writing it as 1, and the route name will be something like mobile. Okay, so I will serve my project as with artisan command. Now let's try to hit. Okay, so I'm getting something, yeah, welcome page with my 800 API. Now I have to call this route. So we are getting something not found exception. This is because this route file is not registered in route service provider. So let's register it first. That is available in app provider and route service provider. So as we can see here, these API route file and web route file is registered in route service provider. Similarly, we have to register our mobile.php as well. So copy this one, paste it here, and rename with your mobile. Okay, this function as well. So we are going to copy this mobile route function with this. Okay, so this is middleware that we are not currently going to consider in our tutorial. And this is the prefix. This prefix is already used in api.php. Now in this mobile route we are going to use some other prefix. Suppose we will write as m. So and we will replace this api.php with our route file. Okay, so everything is okay right now. Yeah, so let's hit this API. Again we are getting not found exception because we need some prefix here. Yeah, as you can see we are getting response as 1 because we have returning it 1. Now we will return with some JSON response. JSON, and status is 200. Let's say success true, and data is some string. You have successfully created a new route file. Now try to hit this API. Congrats, yeah, we got the response. So this is the way we can create our new route file. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe.